Before we power up the Yukon 2, we need to review critical safety measures. First of all, you must read all the safety materials and training manuals provided by Park Industries before operating this machine. Be sure to wear safety glasses or goggles, proper ear protection, and steel-toe safety shoes. Do not wear loose clothing or anything that will come into contact with moving parts. Do not look into the laser during operation. This will cause eye damage, even while wearing safety glasses or goggles. All operators using this machine must first be trained in its operation, and they must be experienced in the use of automated equipment. Do not modify this machine or use it for a purpose for which it wasn't designed. And remember, compliance with local, state, and federal safety laws and regulations is the responsibility of you, the operator. So be sure everyone in your shop works safely.